and the male lion is called Odum. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Queen and I'm popularly known as Igbo with Queen TV. If today is your first time watching me in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to see it. And if you're my returning subscribers and my returning viewers, keep watching and God bless you. In this channel, we teach Igbo language. We learn Igbo culture. We learn Igbo names. We learn Igbo greetings. We introduce ourselves in Igbo. In today's lesson, we are going to be learning Igbo names for animals. So guys, let's start. Number one is cow. What is cow in Igbo? What is cow called in Igbo language? Can you tell me what cow is called in Igbo language? Should I tell you?